we are engaging local leadership structures to ensure that we mediate whatever conflicts there may be, most of which are actually related to climate change related issues. It's search for pasture and water and so on that is bringing those conflicts. But you see, they very easily assume a political dimension because we are in a campaign season. On some parts of our coastal region, we have challenges that we are dealing with. But again, even in the case of Lamu, there's a very strong dimension of elections and registration of voters and so on that is involved. But you have noticed the deployment we have put out there. We have tried to bring peace and understanding, and we continue an operation. I placed a curfew there which is staying for 30 days, and we will review it after those 30 days. If it becomes necessary, we will extend it.